Here I have this vintage RCA AM/FM alarm clock. Got this at the Goodwill for like $4, I believe. So let's go ahead and plug it in. We'll see how well it works. All right. So to set your time, just press the hour. So it is AM. It is 9:48 AM. All right, pretty simple. Okay. For wake time, we'll set this at 7 AM. All right, now let's do the radio.
Time for you to go out to the places you will be from.
Here, I'm broadcasting from here tomorrow, and then I'll be back in the studio on Thursday.
It may not suit all investors. Securities up.
We're known for making some noise on
Nice. That was a good FM. Let's do AM. Nothing on AM, unfortunately.
Military.
Upper 90s.
Alright, so for the alarm, you can either choose music. That's a very weird switch there. Or alarm. And it looks like it just went off. There we go. So you can have like a buzzer instead of music. And for sleep, you get 59 minutes of radio. And if you almost fall asleep, and press your snooze button. All right, well that's pretty sweet. Thanks for guys. Thank you. Words are hard today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed.